Meaning of LWV.
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 LWV. The abbreviation LWV stands for League of Women Voters. It is a nonpartisan political organization in the United States that was founded in 1920. The LWV's mission is to promote informed and active participation in government, regardless of party affiliation, and to influence public policy through education and advocacy. The LWV's major activities include registering voters, providing voter information, advocating for voting rights, and working to educate the public about important political issues. The LWV is a non-profit organization and relies on donations from individuals and foundations to support its work. Here are some of the LWV's accomplishments. Helped to pass the 19th Amendment, which gave women the right to vote. Led the fight for the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Worked to create the National Voter Registration Act of 1993. Promoted the use of public financing for elections. Educated the public about important political issues, such as campaign finance reform, gun control, and healthcare.